You want to do something for your stomach and your back, and as you know, we stretch it all out well so that we can function pain-free. And the stretched out area, we're now going to use that for movement. Stand shoulder width apart, and first, let's loosen up a bit. Slightly bend your knees. Introduce a bit of movement into your hips. Now, we are gently pushing a little forward and leaning in. And move back again. And then forward. And try to feel where exactly the pivot point, the tipping point, is located. Place your hands alongside your legs, and then make sure to extend and bend exactly there. And then slowly make the movements a bit bigger. Depending on your condition, you might notice that some stretching is already happening. Try to use your fingers to keep pushing the spot over which you move forward and backward, and make the movements even bigger. More backward and forward, both your belly and back are equally involved. When you move backward, extend your head. When you move forward, bend your head. Then go backward again, fully extending. Make it a smooth, rounded motion. Beautiful movements. And then come back up. Let your arms fall down and shake them out a little bit. Now shift your pelvis to the right and gently lower your torso to the left side. And back to the other side. And move the pelvis to the right. And then shift the pelvis to the left. And gently back to the right and over to the left, continuously going a little deeper, a little further each time, feeling where it stretches, where perhaps you might need a bit more stretching, always progressively increasing it. Again, the abs and back are engaged in the movement, but it's a different group of muscles involved here. Keep expanding your reach, and now actively incorporate the arm into the exercise as well. If you push the pelvis out to the right arm comes and pulls to the left. And again on the other side. Move the hips to the right and arm to the left, hips to the left, arm to the right. And repeat a few times to get a nice feeling. Be aware of where it pulls and carefully observe how it moves smoothly. Deeply attune yourself to it. And stand still again. Move a little freely. Swing your arms forward and backward. Open up your chest a bit while doing it. And now, keep your arms in that position and slowly turn to the left. And just let your arms naturally follow your movement. Yes, keep your arms horizontal, turn to the right. And then back to the left. And now include your head to the left and to the right. The torso turns to the left and the head turns to the left. Take your arms with you. The torso turns to the right, the head turns to the right. Repeat this exercise a few additional times. Keep your feet steady and your knees straightened. You can feel the rotation all the way down to your ankle joints. And now bring your eyes along. Body to the left, arms to the left, head to the left, eyes to the left. And repeat the movement to the right side. And then transitioning back to the left again. Stretch your arms out continuously. You keep going in deeper. And allow yourself a little more room to breathe easily. Roll your shoulders gently backward. And then once more forward. Bring your arms over your head to the left, or one arm to the left and the other to the right, and repeat this motion a few times. Now, become aware. This is straight forward, this is straight back, and this is diagonally forward to the left and diagonally backward to the right. Now position your upper body diagonally to the left and lower yourself down. Just a little bit and then go back until you notice the stretch. And again, you go down. And then you go back. Move forward. Gently feel your pelvis to understand where you're turning with precision. And be sure to maintain that specific angle. Diagonally to the left. Yes, your chest is aligned diagonally to the left. Then you start to notice that some other muscles are involved in the process. Forward and backward, kind of maneuvering around. And once more forward. And backward. And you release and turn halfway right. Now align your chest diagonally to the right. And extend backward again. Good, like that. And forward. And backward. And forward. And gradually increase. The angles. And feel where you're rotating forward and backward. It should be roughly on the sides, close to where your hands are positioned. Return to a straight stance. Next, ease yourself backward. Stretch your arms forward and rotate your entire body gently to the left side. Lean back slightly, turn to the left. Carefully and slowly, then gently rotate right. And again to the left. And to the right. Nice and smooth. Don't stop moving. But not too quickly. Move with awareness so that you can really feel and understand what you're experiencing. Feel into your belly, feel into your back, and notice how the muscles indicate different stretches, how it feels differently. And return to a straight position. Lean forward, extend your arms sideways, and rotate your body while bending. And if you notice that it's getting too exhausting, don't go too deep. And if it becomes too much, simply raise yourself a little higher. And a little bit higher. And don't swing. Control the movement. Don't go too fast. Yes, very good. And now stand normally again. Gently swing your arms. And now move sideways to the left. Yes, left. Bring your arms along. And turn to the right, while you're bent sideways to the left. And turn to the left. Back and forth. And feel what's happening in your back. What's happening in your abdomen. Backwards and then forward. And once again, move backwards and then smoothly come forwards. Going back and then forwards. Now, come up and gently lean to your right side. And as you do that, move back and then forth, doing it carefully. So you move backwards once more and then forwards, taking time to feel each movement, backwards and then going forwards. Keep moving back and forth and really feel into it. Slowly, we've integrated all the layers of your abdominal muscles, your back extensors, and the muscles in that area into the movement. Good, keep it up. Now come back to a straight position. Let your body realign itself. We overstretch once more. And come forward and stretch to the left side. And continue to the right side. And make a turn to the left and bring both arms along with you. Then turn to the right and bring both arms along. Feel what all this activity has done to the body. So that was something a bit different. And we're very interested to know, if you liked it, how it felt compared to the stretches. So, to explain again, we now want to benefit from the flexibility we've achieved through stretching and exercise a bit, so the body keeps getting better.